doing? Hi. Wait, you just hiding there? Hamlet? Buddy? Oh. You scared me.
Alright, Tito, you got this. Got this interview in the bag. Oh, you're not home with me. He's wondering if you guys are hiring.
For him, any day.
He's got, if you go in here, he's got a little application.
Oh my god. You're hired. Instantly hired, yes.
Excuse me, sir, can you show me what the cat stuff is? I need cat stuff. What do you think, sir? Is this a good deal? Is this a good deal? Okay, bye. Yay, you got the job!
Hello. G'day. Hi.
I'm having trouble trying to sleep.
Okay.
I'm counting sheep are running out. As time ticks by, still I try. No rest for
Here we go.
clouds
Here we go.
in my
1,
mind.
2.
On my own, here we go. Your turn. Very good. Go ahead. Good golly. Bring it around now. Ladies. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. Charlie Puth on keys.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
A new perch? What do you think? Oh my goodness, what are you doing? What are you doing, huh?
Holy crap.
Holy
No one's ever gonna want to live with me.
time. What's that about? Stop it. Give me this. Fuck's sake. What are you doing?
So if I just yell at the camera a little bit, Hamlet thinks I'm angry about something and he will start going off too. And I don't know why exactly he does that, but he thinks that he's joining another fight and I heckin' love it. It's just the best kind of support that anyone needs when they're having a rant, you know?
Girl, what did that girl just say, girl? Girl, I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips.
Robert, no. No. Well. No, Barbara. Stop. That's mean, I know. You're doing it. Birdie bird. No. The attitude. Yeah, that's your name and you're a mean bird. You're a mean bird. Oh, now you're gonna be sweet?
No pizza! You can't have. No, I said no pizza! Manga, no pizza! Give it back! Give it back! Manga! I said no. Manga! No! You can't have it! Jesus, protect the town! Manga, please stop! No!
Ollie. I love you.